In example 1, we look to identify whether there was a relationship between the number of points a player scored and the number of fouls a player gave away. We plotted 10 players' points onto a graph to make a scatter diagram, where we tallied the fouls against the player and the points scored. We could see that there was a trend that went up the graph, suggesting as the number of fouls a player gives away increases, so too does the number of points that player scores. This can be described as positive correlation. We drew in a line of best fit, which will enable us to make estimates for other players. We will look at that now. Question 1. One player scored 50 points. How many fouls do you think he picked up? We will use this line to make an estimate for those readings. We can see that we have 50 points, which is here on our y-axis. And we want to find out how many fouls that player is likely to have picked up on this axis here. We use this 50 and we go across to our line of best fit using a ruler and a pencil. We now go down to where that would meet on the x-axis, suggesting that a player who scores 50 points is likely to have 30 fouls against them. So that would suggest this player has given away 30 fouls. Press pause and see if you can work out how many points would a player who gave away 12 fouls score. So our first job is to identify this 12 fouls on our x-axis. That would be here. We would like to work out how many points we think that player may score. We use our line of best fit to help us do that. We go up from 12 to the line of best fit. We now go across from the line of best fit to the number of points scored. We can see it suggests that there would be 16 points. As an estimate, a player who gave away 12 fouls would score 16 points.